Welcome back to maths class. Today we will start with geometry chapter number 2 Pythagoras. With this diagram, right angle triangle ABC, we will prove three theorems that three triangles are similar to each other. Then Pythagoras formula AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, and then geometric mean that BD square is equal to AD into BC. First we will give the name of that internal angle. For bigger triangle, this is X, Y, and this is Z. X, Y, Z in increasing order. Now Y is there, 90 means Z. So this is X. X is there, 90 means Z. So this is Y. So this is your triangle number 1. This is your triangle number 2. And overall this is triangle number 3. Again, in ABC triangle, give X and Y name measurement and Z means 90. Again, Z means 90, Y is there, so X. Z is 90, X, so Y. Means X plus Y is equal to 90. Now, how to write the name of the triangle XYZYs? We will prove first similar third, second similar third. First triangle, I have written 1. Write X, Y, Z means A, B, D. Third triangle, full triangle, X, Y, Z, A, C, B. Second triangle, X, Y, Z, B, C, D. Third triangle, again same. Now we will prove this and this triangle pair similar. In this means in first and full you will find X is common, means A. Here you will find C is common. In both 1 is 90, in smaller one D is 90. You can write ADB congruent to B. In smaller one BDC each 90. So these are, you can say, XX and these are ZZ. These are YY, these are Z. So you can say triangle ABD, similar triangle ACB, triangle BCD, similar triangle ACB by angle test. If first similar to third, second similar to third, so first similar to second, similar to third, means triangle ABD, triangle BCD, triangle ACB. So first it is proved. Now from this only we will continue for Pythagoras. So take 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 like that. Means AB, BD, DA. AB, BD, DA. AC, CB, DA. Same here, first, second, third. First, second, third. BC, CD, DB. AC, CB, BA. Correct? ratio of side of similar triangle. Now here you will find AB. So AB square is equal to AC into AD. Now here BC. So BC square is equal to AC into DC by cross product. Cancel this ratio we don't want, this ratio we don't want, but you have to write 3. Now left side, right side make total. Left side total AB square, BC square. Here AC into AD plus AC into DC, AC, AD plus DC. Now in addition of segment which is common, that you have to omit. So AC. So this is AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to this. This is by cross product you are getting by adding first and second. This is your first equation, this is your second equation. Now AC is a common. Now AD plus DC is equal to AC. Substitute it and the product. This is your second proof. Now proof number 3rd. That is this. This is known as geometric mean. Now we have to take only first and second. In triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. Given. Therefore, triangle first means ABD. Similar to triangle BCD. Similar triangle. If perpendicular drawn on a hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, all three triangles are similar to each other. From that I have taken two triangles are similar. Again, first, second, third, first. First, second, third, first. Means AB, BD, DA. First, second, third, first. BC, CD, DB. From ratio of side of similar triangle. Now I want BD square. So I will cancel this. Now one more thing I want to introduce, that sometime in 2 marks they ask identify it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. So you must know the pair. First, write smallest round figure triplet, that is 3, 4, 5. Step number 1. 3, 4, 5. Step number 2. Write odd number in first column. That is second step. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now, in C shape, 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much? 4 plus 3 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5 plus 7. This plus this plus this, how much? This plus this how much? If it is 13, it is 84. Again, one plus second plus third answer. A, B, C always. First write smallest round figure triplet 3, 4, 5. Then write second point, write odd numbers. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 answer. 12 plus 5 plus 7 answer. 24 plus 7 plus 9 answer. 40 plus 9 plus 11 answer. 60 plus 11 plus 13 answer. Now fourth, next number of second. Fourth next number 5. 12 next number 13. 24 next number 25. 40 next number 41. 60 next number 61. 84. 80. So these are the triplet of Pythagoras. And the highest number, the longest side, is a hypotenuse. Student, this three formula and this trick, it is very important, and among these three theorem, 100% they will ask one theorem in SSC board exam. So repeat this video again and again. Try to understand each and every step. If you are not following anything, if it is not visible something, you can reply me. You can ask me the question, but not in the group, in my personal number. Thank you. All the best. Try your best.